Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your pre-owned 2015 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a calm, cool and collected alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XLE package is your heated front seats as well as your Bluetooth connectivity and your backup camera for the ultimate convenience. Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press 1. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up the doors now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a clean and sporty interior. You do have your added skid plates for style and protection. You have that black trim as well as your power windows and your power locks. On the side, you have your power adjustable side mirrors with your rear locking differentials and your traction control. Your RAV4 comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And check out the detailing put into your soft seats all throughout with that contrasting white stitching just to tie all of that sweet sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. Why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your RAV4, simply put your foot on the brakes there and your key in the ignition. That dashboard's gonna light up with that cool ambient lighting. Taking a look at your kilometers, you have 74,281. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. You have, in addition to that, your volume control mode changers, as well as on this side here you have your hands-free calling and voice command. You do have your automatic headlights as well, so you don't have to forget to turn them on when it starts getting dark out. And taking a look at your LCD screen, you have your audio system open with your AM FM radio. You also do have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. And don't forget your Sirius XM radio subscription as well, which offers you plenty of options for your musical taste. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on this screen here. A nice, clean, organized format to keep you and everything important to you nice and safe. Below here, you'll find your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You also have this digital display, which adds that modern touch, tying everything together. Of course, is that leather trim on your dashboard there with that open shelving unit for any media storage. Below here, you'll find your Eco and Sport drive mode, as well as your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also have your USB auxiliary input and your 12-volt DC charger. Media storage below, plus that black trim is part of the motif inside of your RAV4. As you can see, you also do have your Sport drive mode with your shift knob here to change up or down in your gears. You have your leather trim on your parking brake, and inside of your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. And of course, in your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your RAV4, and plenty of functionality and sporty style built right into your vehicle. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have your nice clean bumper with your XLE all-wheel drive badging. Opening up that lift gate now. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your RAV4. You also do have this handy all-weather floor mat, which extends to the back of your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You have your cargo lamp on the side for visibility, and below here you'll find your tools and your jack with your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You'll be nice and prepared. Closing it up now, simply grab that handle there and drop it down as we back up to take one more look at the back of your RAV4.
Taking one final look at your 2015 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE with plenty of convertible and functional storage solutions with your roof rails and your crossbars, you will definitely be able to take on the next adventure in style. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.